So, Ava and Monroe is basically an online fashion store offering clothing and accessories with a boutique-style presentation. The products can look really appealing in the photos, but there are a few things I'd check before buying. The biggest question is whether the quality actually matches what you see online. With lesser-known fashion stores, sizing, materials, shipping times, and customer service can sometimes be very different from what the marketing suggests. I'd also look carefully at the return and refund policy. If you're ordering internationally, sending something back could be more complicated or expensive than expected. So, is Ava and Monroe a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I also wouldn't trust the website based purely on its photos or discounts. Check independent reviews, company information, payment protection, and shipping details first. Overall, the products may look tempting, but I'd do some research before placing an order and make sure you're comfortable with the risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.